Good morning, guys. This is Eddie with Grid 9 Systems, and hope you're having a wonderful day. I got a quick, short video. I just wanted to show something off here for those who are new to maybe electronics or been doing it a while, and you come across this. This is these little things here. They kind of look like. Let me show you here. They kind of look like diodes for some people. Let's see if I can show that or not. Kind of look like diodes, little glass tube and all. What they are is actually what they're called gas discharge tubes, which a lot of sensitive electronics use, and different types of equipment to protect against surges. And they come, of course, in different values and whatnot. But so if you try to probe this with a multimeter, you're really not going to get anything on it on either side. It's not meant to allow anything to pass through. How it works is basically when it reaches whatever threshold it has, it basically makes that connection, and actually then it goes to ground, and that's how it protects itself. It'll ground itself out and go to the fuse or whatever other means it's got for protection, and short circuits at that point. So if you ever did want to test one of these, if you had a doubt about it, you could use a like an insulation meter. Um, Not everybody has one, but if you have one, um, you can actually use it to fire that up and actually see. You can actually see the arc in that glass tube. And I want to give you a small demonstration on that. So let me see here. Let's see if I can find. So you guys can see that. And I'm going to turn my insulation meter on here and fire it up and see if you can see the arc. That's 250 volts right now. Nothing's happening. Let's increase that. Let's go to 500 volts, see what happens. Still nothing. So we're trying to pass 500 volts through there. Still hasn't grounded out. Let's raise it up to 1,000 volts. There you go. You see that thing fire up? That's how it works. So right now it's passing that current through there, that voltage, and at that point it would short circuit whatever's on that device. So anyhow, that was just a quickie in case nobody's actually known that for the first time, or you've never seen one in action. So if you wanted to test one and you happen to have the right piece of equipment to do it, you can, and find out if they're any good or not, if they're still working. If you have a more accurate, and Fluke does make a more accurate meter for that, where you can actually break down the voltages between 50 volts and up to 1,000. Some of them are crude. The one I have is 250, 500, and 1,000 volts. So, um, as you can see right here, move that out of the way so you guys can see. I used to have a different one, but I went ahead and got rid of that one and purchased this one here used, but it does a good job for what I need it for. And that's basically it. Hope this was informative for those wondering what those were. And they do have them in different styles. You also have them like this. See if we can go to microscope again. Hold on. You have them in a glass tube like this as well. So you know, if you see one, you kind of know what it is. This is also a gas discharge tube. So they do come in different flavors, but that way you're aware if you come across this wondering, what is that? What's it doing there? There you go. You guys have a great day, and we'll catch you on the flip side. See ya.